Hello everyone and welcome to our first session on ReactJS Features. Features of ReactJS. ReactJS has become one of the most popular JavaScript libraries among web developers, playing a crucial role in the front-end ecosystem. Its unique features and powerful capabilities make it a go-to choice for building dynamic and efficient user interfaces. Below are some of the important features of ReactJS. Virtual DOM, component-based architecture, JSX or JavaScript Syntax Extension, one-way data binding, scalability, flexibility, modularity, performance, single-page applications or SPAs. Virtual DOM. The virtual DOM is one of the React's most significant features, providing a performance boost by minimizing direct DOM manipulations. The virtual DOM is a lightweight, in-memory representation of the real DOM. When changes are made to the HTML document, React creates a virtual DOM, compares it with the previous state, and updates only the parts of the actual DOM that have changed. This process, called reconciliation, ensures that updates are efficient, reducing the time and computational power needed to re-render the entire page. Example. In this example, React only updates the time displayed rather than re-rendering the entire component. Component-based architecture. React's architecture is centered around components, which are the building blocks of a React application. Breaking down a large application into smaller, reusable components simplifies development and maintenance. Each component can maintain its own state and behavior, reducing dependencies and potential side effects between different parts of the application. Example. Here, header, main content, and footer are separate components, making the code more manageable and modular. JSX or JavaScript Syntax Extension. JSX is a syntax extension for JavaScript that looks similar to HTML. It allows developers to write HTML-like code within JavaScript, making the code more readable and expressive. JSX makes it easier to visualize the structure of the UI as it closely resembles HTML. JSX can include JavaScript expressions, making it dynamic and powerful. Example. This example shows how JSX can be used to embed JavaScript variables directly within HTML tags. One-way data binding. React employs one-way data binding, meaning data flows in a single direction from parent to child components. This unidirectional flow simplifies data management and reduces the complexity of data flow within the application. By ensuring that data can only flow one way, React makes it easier to understand how data changes affect the state and behavior of components. Example. In this example, the parent component passes the message prop to the child component. Scalability. React is designed to handle applications of any size, from small projects to large-scale enterprise applications. Features like the virtual DOM and component-based architecture allow React to manage large applications efficiently. React provides robust tools and a rich ecosystem that supports building scalable applications, including state management libraries like Redux and Mobats. Flexibility. React is highly flexible and can be integrated with other libraries and frameworks. It provides the core building blocks but doesn't impose strict rules on how to structure your application. Developers can choose their own architecture and integrate other tools as needed. React can be used alongside other JavaScript libraries or even embedded in existing projects without requiring a complete overhaul. Modularity. React promotes modularity by encouraging developers to create small, reusable components. Each component can focus on a specific part of the UI, making the code easier to understand and maintain. Components can be reused across different parts of the application or even in different projects, reducing redundancy and effort. Example: here, the button component can be reused with different labels and click handlers. Performance. React's design emphasizes performance optimization. The virtual DOM ensures that only the necessary parts of the real DOM are updated, improving rendering performance. React's reconciliation algorithm minimizes the number of DOM manipulations required during updates. Single-page applications or SPAs. React is well suited for building single-page applications where the content dynamically updates without requiring a full page reload. SPAs provide a smoother user experience by loading content dynamically. React's focus on reusable components make it ideal for creating SPAs, as components can be reused across different parts of the application. Example: this example shows how React can be used with React Router to create a simple SPA with navigation. Conclusion: ReactJS has firmly established itself as one of the leading JavaScript libraries for front-end development. Its powerful features such as the virtual DOM, component-based architecture, JSX, and one-way data binding provide a robust foundation for building efficient and scalable applications. Additionally, React's flexibility, modularity, and focus on performance make it an excellent choice for developing modern web applications, including single-page applications. With its rich ecosystem and active community, React continues to evolve, offering developers the tools they need to create dynamic and responsive user interfaces. That's all for this session. Thank you.